I'm using a different camera, so I have no idea what's going on. Say hi. He's tired. He's so big now. If you hear any strange noises, it's my dog. He's in the room with me. Try filming a YouTube video when you have a dog with separation anxiety. But luckily he's tired. I just took him on a big walk, so he should be sleeping throughout. I have no idea how this looks right now because I'm filming on a different camera, so I'm sorry if I keep checking the viewfinder and just checking that everything's okay, because I genuinely have no idea how to use this camera. I'm just going for it. I'm in my makeup room. This is the makeup room that I have at my girlfriend's house. It's looking so good so far. I've got loads of furniture coming, so I'm going to be filming loads more videos because I'm going to finally have a beautiful room with beautiful lighting to film in. There's a massive bay window in this room, like the lighting is literally perfect. My hair is just like not. It's just not. I think I'm going to be doing like an everyday get ready with me sort of look. Not too sure. I think I'm just going to go with the flow, see what happens, but all I know is I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup today. Just needed to get something filmed, and then I'm going to film a couple more videos after this. You know what I'm like, everything I film I hate, so hopefully we actually end up coming out of this session with at least a couple videos that I can use. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen me in a while and you haven't watched my last video, then you won't know that I got my lips dissolved. I've been so much happier since I've got them dissolved. My whole sort of like vibe changed since I got my lips dissolved. I've sort of been going for more like a natural, glowy vibe kind of thing. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. So I've already glued down my eyebrows. I just used the Got To Be Glued gel and a spoolie. I got my eyebrows microbladed, so I don't really do much to them these days. I'm probably going to leave them at that just because this is more of like a natural look. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light. This is just the best thing ever. If you haven't actually bought this yet, then you really need to. It's the best stuff ever. They also make like a body version. I like to drag it down my body anyway. I don't know if you guys can see the glow. Oh, it's so nice. It's so moisturising as well. I always have this problem when I'm filming YouTube videos. When I'm looking in the mirror, I always get it in frame. It's so annoying. I'm going to try not to get this in the frame. So next I'm going in with the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 BB Cream. My skin is like, it's pretty bad, but it's not too bad. I'm not really bothered about it. So I'm going to go in with this on my, this is a Real Techniques stippling brush. You really don't need a lot of this stuff. Just gonna, oh, there we go, see? I already got it in the frame. I have got a bit of fake tan on, so this stuff is just perfect, just to match me up a little bit. Just like that. It's really nice and glowy, just something simple. Do I need any concealer? Let's have a loosh. Why is the camera making me look really orange in the face? I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, just get rid of all the streak marks. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of the EX1 Delete Fluid just on my finger. Literally like the tiniest bit. I need my mirror. I'm just gonna dot it on the high points of my face, just, and I'm just gonna pat it in with my finger. Then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender again and just make sure it's all blended out. Okay, I would love to be all naturally dewy all day, but I just am too oily for it, so just going to take some of the Huda Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Sugar Cookie. I'm just going to take it on a tiny brush and just, basically anywhere I just put that concealer and my smile lines, because they're not even funny. And especially around my nose, I get really oily there. You can obviously set to your needs or don't set at all. It's up to you. I'm just telling you what I do. care what you do. Set if you need to. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna take the EX1 Invisiwear Compact Powder. This is in the shade 2. This is literally just to give me some warmth. It's not to contour or anything like that because it's really yellow toned. It's literally just for warmth. Just literally just go for it. Just who even cares anymore? Who even fucking cares? Rona is a cunt. Just do what you want. I'm going to take the Anastasia Amrezy and I'm just going to go in. Just look how beautiful. I know you want that all over your face. So just do it. Can't even see where it's going. Don't even care. It's perfect. I like to always go under my brows with it as well. If you've been here for a while, you know how I like to do my highlight. I still do it the same way. So I've done my highlight, just for anyone that's new. I put way too much on and then I always go in with a brush after and dust away the excess powder. My theory behind this is that when you put a lot of highlighter on, there's a lot of excess powder on your skin. And when you go in with a brush afterwards, it gets rid of all the excess powder and just leaves you with the glow, so it looks less chalky. Something I've also been doing a lot at the minute because I don't really wear eyeshadow is taking my bronzer or whatever and going like right in my eyebrow bone with it. Just so we've got some depth of some sort. Now, my favourite part. This is Anastasia Blush Kit. This is in the shade Radiant. I'm gonna just use these top 2 shades just on my stippling brush, just go crazy. And I'm gonna go on the bottom of my nose. Oh god, when I said go crazy, I shouldn't have gone that crazy. Up here on my cheekbones. And on the bridge of my nose. Okay, I went way too crazy. Fine, because we've got some MAC Studio Fix. Use this to just like fix whatever I just did. I'm just gonna dust it on the places where I put too much. Blake's has just crawled and got in his bed. He loves looking out the window. He usually sits there all day. So I put his bed so it like faces the window so he can look out. It's so cute. Too Faced better than sex. Okay, if that happens to you, then like this fucking video. When that happens to you, just leave it. Just literally leave it and just sort it out at the end. When it's dry, you can just flip it off. So I just ran off camera and quickly put on some freckles and I just took that bit of mascara that was on my eye and I just fixed my hair a little bit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this here. I think that's all I want to do. Oh, and I put on a little bit of lip gloss. Yeah, just super simple, easy, quick, everyday vibe. I never thought I'd be into this kind of stuff. I never thought I'd be able to do a makeup look without eyelashes. And here we are. I feel good enough to start my day. I don't know if you guys have seen, if you don't follow me on TikTok, I have actually cut a fringe. Oh, no, dropped my phone. I've actually cut a fringe, but today it's just, you know, she's chilling to the side. I just thought I'd try something new. We're gonna go now, film some other videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then go head over to my other social. I'm trying to outro. Yeah, all my other socials are just Meg Feather if you want to go check me out. And if you want to go follow Little Lakes on Instagram, his Instagram is just @Lakely. We will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.